Hello, this is your database coach, specializing in all things Couchbase. In this module, we're going to take a look at a situation that I get asked about quite often. One of the advantages of a NoSQL database like Couchbase is that you can query against values nested in arrays within documents in your database. This happens to be an area that it's very easy to create queries that are slow, not because they are returning a large amount of data, but because it takes a while to scan through all the array values in the index to find the documents that match the needed conditions. If the arrays in your documents only contain a handful of values, this is not a big deal, as it'll usually scan the index quickly. But if the arrays contain a large number of values, say 100 or more, it can take a while to do the index scan. Now, if all you are concerned with is finding the documents that contain a certain single value in the array, you can create a distinct index on the array value, and the index scan will run quickly, returning the desired document in no time. But what if it's a combination of values that you are needing to find? This is where things get tricky. See, the problem is that you can only create a distinct index on a single data element within an array. So on the surface, it looks like you are doomed to index all of the elements in the array, and then examine each object to see if the combination of values matches or not during the index scan. However, there is a simple, but not obvious way to tackle this problem. What you need to do is to create a synthetic data element of the value combinations in the array, and then you can build a distinct index on those combinations. It looks something like this. And then, when you go to query against this index, you have to build the same synthetic data element in your where clause to match what is in the index. This is a pattern you can follow if you need to look for a combination of 2, 3, 4, or really any number of data elements that are nested within objects in an array. And because all the heavy lifting work has already been done to create these synthetic data elements when building the index, there is no work to be done when running the query. Just scan the index for the matching element combinations. I hope this video has helped you understand how you can make use of synthetic data elements when designing indexes and queries to run against your Couchbase database. If you found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button below to be notified of additional videos in this series. And if you need help in optimizing your use of your Couchbase database, please reach out and give me a call. I'm here to help. And if you have a topic you would like to see covered in this series, please let me know, and I'll see if it makes sense to add to my list of topics to cover.